are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.